Bro, when you rip it, it rips. Dude, this shit is crazy, son. This bike is crazy, dude. It's nuts. When you want to rip it, it just goes. It goes. It's crazy. I don't know if you can hear that. Bro, the sound is... Whoo, shit! Let me show you my rims. So I put these street tires on. I think these look better than the other ones did. Actually, a whole lot better. Let me turn this off. So the street tires look amazing, bro. They look amazing. I had some problems with these tires, putting them on. It was pretty hard actually, because I was like I had to take these tires off of these wheels, and I did like what 8 times maybe, just to get the right tires to fit the rim and shit.
Hello guys, I paused the video for you guys because I'm just giving you an update. The left front tire is leaking air, so I have to get like a hose inside the tire for it, so it's gonna be a little wait for that. But in the meantime, I might just put on the gravel tires again, just so you guys know, because I didn't know that in this video, so just so you guys know.
It was crazy, bro, but here you go. Here's what it looks like right now. The ones in the back are like chrome, so I'm gonna polish them up, get them right. And the ones in front are like what, like aluminum, something like that. I don't know really. But those are painted. And eventually I'm gonna paint the whole quad bike black as well. I think it looks like a beast with this on. It looks like lower and everything. I think it looks good, but I don't like the red, so I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna make it all black, and might make like the steering end, like this one black as well. These might go black, or I might buy new ones or something like that. But anyways, the red things are gonna go black. These are gonna stay red. The one in the back is gonna stay red. I'm gonna stay behind here so you guys don't see the plate number. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So yeah, I pretty much changed the tires, and now it's ready to go. I actually fixed it for, like, in Sweden, yeah, there's something called besiktning. So for that you have to, like, you know, you have to fix up the car or whatever it is. You have to fix it up, and it has to pass like a security test. Mine didn't, so I had to change the rear brake calipers, or no, the rear the brakes, and the what's it called, like this, the rear axle bearings, and the yeah, all that shit. Anyways, that's fixed. So it went through. It's good. It's all in condition. So everything's all right. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna polish these up, make it black. Yeah, you know, we'll see. I think it's gonna become pretty cool, to be honest with you, when I get it done. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have to do, and it's ready to go. So I'm waiting for my friend North Enduro to come back, get a damn quad, and we can fucking ride together, bro. Just do this shit, man. What the fuck? What's going on, son? You just get your shit together, bro. Then we can do this shit. And we can do that, like burnouts and shit. Bro, you gotta come back. That's how it is.